So we're in Osaka Tenma, and this is the cheapest vending machine ever. I think it's so cheap. It's like maybe like 30 cents in the States or 20 cents, but in Japan it's 20 yen, the cheapest one.
So I wish there would be vending machine for 1 yen because I have so much 1 yen.
Yeah. If you see our trip to Poland, you'll know how much money we have. Sorry about the very loud noise that there's too many people around. Here. I got my soda. Dude. Okay. So I can't believe this because I thought it was like a kidney. This is a very good soup, so I really recommend it. The smell from my mom is really.
And my mother take this one and she already finished it.
In like 2 minutes because it's so delicious. I saw this like 10 yen sign, so I went to see it. It was so cheap, 20 yen. So yeah, this is like the cheapest thing ever. So thanks for watching, guys.